Mike, thank you. If you've ever checked your credit score, listen up. Equifax says 143 million Americans' personal information has been compromised. And joining me now is cyberspace attorney Andrew Rossow. Rossow. Okay, just want to make sure I get that correct.
You were close.
Yeah, very close. First question is, if for the viewers sitting at home, how exactly does this impact them?
You know, you're looking at people's secure financial information, or what's supposed to be secure, and you're looking at bank statements, credit card information, date of birth, social security numbers, everything a person has to themselves.
And who is at risk in this?
Everybody. You know, you have three major credit bureaus that are supposed to be monitoring the consumer's financial information, and you hear one of them just got breached or information is no longer secure. It's scary.
And if you think you could be affected, or you say this does affect everyone, what should the viewer at home be doing right now?
Sure. I know Equifax has set up a tool for consumers to go to their website and input their name and last 6 digits of their social to determine if they have been affected. On the flip side, monitor your bank statements, monitor your email, and be careful on what you put in forms online.
Is there anything that the viewer at home can do who's watching to make sure that this doesn't happen to them?
Be smart, be aware, be cognizant of what's going on. Obviously, this is on the news, it is newsworthy, but at the same time, check your statements. Make sure that nothing looks fishy or suspicious, and that's all you can do at this point.
Has this ever happened before? Has there ever been a breach of this magnitude before?
I don't believe of this magnitude. This might be one of the biggest breaches to date. I do believe Experian had a similar situation back in 2015.
I guess my question is, how dangerous is it for these hackers can almost get into anything and everything? How dangerous is it for the average viewer sitting at home?
It's extremely dangerous. You don't know what information is out there. The information that you would expect to be secure is no longer secure. You don't know if it's in the wrong hands, if it's going to be sold on the black market. There's no way to know what's going on.
And in your profession, what do you do? Do you help people in this type of situation? I mean, how do you help them?
Spreading awareness is probably the most important thing, as a lot of people may not be aware of what options are out there. And you know, I have such a passion for this because we are in a digital age, and it's very important that people who resort to using technology, whether it's smart technology or just computers, that they understand what information they need to protect at all costs.
All right. Thank you so much for being with us this morning. We really appreciate it. You can find those links that he was talking about to see if you were impacted and sign up for the identity theft protection on our website. That's at fox45now.com. Click on news links under the news tab. And Andrew, thank you so much for being here this morning. We greatly appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me.
Absolutely.